Has institutional crypto adoption truly arrived, and what company is leading the charge in making that happen? If you've been watching the crypto space, you've seen massive financial institutions, think pension funds, hedge funds, and major corporations, transition from cautious curiosity to active investment. This shift is one of the most significant developments in the evolution of digital assets, and at its heart is Coinbase. The institutional gateway, Coinbase Prime. Coinbase's role isn't just as a retail exchange, it's the trusted bridge for global finance. The key to this is their dedicated platform, Coinbase Prime. Imagine a full-service prime brokerage, but built for digital assets. That's Prime. It provides the essential, institutional-grade infrastructure that large players demand. Why institutions choose Coinbase? Coinbase has become the partner of choice for a few critical reasons, all revolving around trust and capability. 1. Institutional-grade security and custody locked with key. Institutions deal with billions of dollars, and security is non-negotiable. Coinbase custody is a cornerstone of the Prime offering. It's a regulated, qualified custodian that provides some of the highest security standards in the industry, utilizing a mix of advanced cold storage and multi-layer security protocols. This isn't just a wallet, it's a fiduciary standard of asset protection that traditional finance understands and relies on. In fact, Coinbase is the chosen custodian for many of the approved spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, a huge vote of confidence. 2. Full-service Prime Brokerage Bank. Coinbase Prime offers a unified platform that integrates everything an institution needs. Advanced trading, access to deep liquidity across Coinbase Exchange and other venues, ensuring they can execute massive block trades with minimal market impact. Financing, solutions like lending and margin to support sophisticated trading strategies, which is essential for active asset managers. Reporting, the detailed analytics and reporting required for regulatory compliance and portfolio risk management. 3. Regulatory clarity and compliance scroll. As a publicly traded, U.S.-based company, Coinbase operates under significant regulatory scrutiny. For risk-averse institutions, this transparency, adherence to KYC/AML standards, and pursuit of necessary licenses, like the New York State Department of Financial Services, NYDFS, oversight for their custody arm, provide a critical level of comfort. They are seen as a compliant, predictable partner in a historically volatile space. The impact of this role. Coinbase's work hasn't just benefited their bottom line, though institutional volumes now comprise a significant portion of their business. Crucially, they've facilitated the mainstreaming of crypto. By providing the necessary infrastructure, they are empowering traditional finance to confidently step into the digital asset economy. This influx of capital and institutional expertise drives market maturity, stability, and ultimately, broader acceptance of crypto as a legitimate asset class. They are helping lay the concrete foundation for the future of finance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.